Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger steak sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget your aromatics, 2 cloves of minced garlic and half an onion, thinly sliced. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour ready to thicken our delicious sauce. This combination creates a rich, savory base. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add your minced garlic and sliced onions, cooking them until they are wonderfully fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This step is crucial for a deep, savory base. Then, pour in a small amount of beef broth to deglaze the pan, scraping up any flavorful brown bits from the bottom. Achieving the perfect consistency is next. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, whisking it continuously for about 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Slowly pour in 1 cup of beef broth, stirring constantly to ensure a smooth, lump-free sauce. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce for an extra layer of umami. Let it simmer gently. Finally, let's bring it all together. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired thickness. It should coat the back of a spoon nicely. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper if needed. Once perfected, generously pour this rich, savory burger steak sauce over your freshly cooked burger patties. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.